So welcome all to my new lecture. Today I start my lecture 3 on HTML. So till now you understand some of the tags in HTML. Today I start from list tag in HTML. So what is list? List means a collection of characters, collection of items, collection of articles. So on HTML, list is a three type of HTML list. That is unordered list, ordered list, and list item. So what is the list? List is a three type of list. There is unordered list. Unordered list is in the sense the unordered list starts with the UL tag on this code under code, and each list item start with the li tag. In unordered list, there is no ordering. Means 1, 2, 3 is not ordering. The list item will be marked with bullets by default. So, okay, small black circle means what we use in Microsoft Word. Now, what is ordered HTML is? Ordered HTML in the sense it is ordering 1, 2, 3, Roman line 1, 2, 3. Each list item start from a li tag and they start with the OL tag. This list item will be marked with the numbers by default 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's check. It's what happened now. Make a UL normal UL tag. Okay, this is the short form of unordered list. Okay, on unordered list, how to create means li. Without li it is not working. Why? Li is the list item. Okay, here I start copy. Okay, then to copy from here list item t. Okay, then again milk, sorry, I, milk, you add some more points, but I'll tell you how to save and how look like that. So first control save. Okay, what is the name? Assignment. First I change the name here. How to name change? Control Shift plus S. I think all of you are complete the assignment. Last assignment what I gave. If not complete the assignment, please complete, because without those knowledge you can't come on this HTML lecture. So that is a lecture part 2 HTML. First, how to indentation complete? Control Shift plus P. You know, I think. Why you saw that? How it is the? Because it is the unordered list. I told you now this is a unordered list. Item 1 is copy. Item 2 is T. Item 3 is milk. So how to make is ordered list? Simply change the OL, means UL to OL. Okay. That one is coffee, one is two is tea, three is milk. So you can change like that. Why I make like that? You saw what is the changes after I saw in browser. This item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, then right in open in browser you saw the changes. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 is one by one, right? How to change? By using break. Press it, then you change the understand the changes, make some break here. Okay, so that is the list. Okay, uh, this is a list of an item. So if you give some value here, like copy value is 100. Okay, then refresh here, then you saw that one by one it will change. So now I make side by side, so better you understand. So that is the list. Okay, you also you can change here also. Value equal to 200. Just refresh it, you can change 201, 202, 203, like that. So that is a list format of HTML. So when you make any HTML web page, you understand how to use it. When I make one web design, then you understand this what is the need of that. So I think till now you understand what is the list, what is unordered list, what is ordered list, and what is list item. Okay, so I go to now next tag, tell you what is input. So what is the input? I for your need, I make a definition of what is input and what is the different type of input I use here. So input tag specify an input field where the user can enter the data. Okay, what type of data? That is checkbox, color, date time, local, email, file, hidden image. So many items are there. You can saw here. Okay, the input element can be displayed in several ways depending on the type of attribute. Different input element is most important from an element, because when you make a web page, make a login page, registration page, on that time you use input type, label, and so many menu items. So those are the making information to collect data from the user. So how to use input type button? So I use here. So only simple write input. Okay, you saw the changes. So if you make button, only button, button, then if you save it, first to understand what is the changes here. You saw the only one boxes, nothing will be changed here because there is no name, nothing is there. So if I make change here, uh, submit. So if you change the name in submit, then what is the changes? First save it and changes. No changes is there. Why? We make not making any name. Okay. So how to make the changes name? So how to make change? Okay. So for name, changing the name, you name submit. Okay, no problem. But how you value, making value here? Value is here. Let's also make submit. Okay. Then save it, then run it. What is the changes here? You saw that changes here. Okay, you click it, it is not running here now because it is no CSS file, no JavaScript file, no link is here. Okay, that is why it's not working. Now I make name, username. So make a name here. Okay, then make input. Okay, type username. Okay, new name or username same. Value is username. Okay, save it and you changes here. Username. That is, if you not changes username, then uh, username is a taking username from the user. Okay, so that is the username, password. Okay, I collect from here because it's look like good. Control X. Then after username you make password. How to make password? Make a name from here. Then input. Okay, then type password. Okay, delete here, you no need to name. And then you saw the changes, username and password. So how to change break here? You know that. Okay, this is the username and password. Okay, you change this, right? And also use here break, look like good. Okay, for your understand I will show one by one. Okay, So if you sometime you saw that the some username placeholder is the password placeholder there. So what is the placeholder? Placeholder means placeholder of when it is changing a name on the place. Okay, your username. Okay, name. Then here also use if you want. For that username password, it is place means one type of watermark you can say. Okay, so that is the input type, and so many input type is there. If you want, please message me, I will tell you one by one. Okay, so for normal use here username password submit those things. Okay, and so many items there you can saw here. So if you want any more, please comment me, I will tell one by one. Okay, so I saw that on use input to take the button. You also use button tag for making button. So here I right click me. Okay, save it, and you can share know the changes. You also it is also used for button. Okay, you can also share understand what is the changes here. Okay, click me and submit both are the button. Submit used for input tag and click me is used for normal button tag. Okay, now I make how to use emoji. Emoji means what I saw in WhatsApp, Facebook and so many social media. How to use emoji? So how to make emoji? Emoji in the sense you can use decimal value, you can use hexadecimal value, you can use span tag, you can use also p tag. So normally I use p tag here. Okay, normally I use p tag. So I delete here. You don't know what is style. I press complete. So that is use span. Span tag is the tag of embedded system. Okay, embedded means it is take the link or decision value, hexadecimal value, and so on. So that is style. Style means font size. If you don't know, I'll delete it here now because afterwards I'll tell you what is that. So that is the span tag is the take the link of the emoji. So emoji why use and then hashtag. You are without these two element emoji is not showing. Okay, so how to start? Control shift and you can check here. That is the increase the size. You understand what is the sub. So that is the emoji. Okay, and you can use anywhere with and tag hashtag, and this is the decimal value, and same it is, but it is the hexadecimal value. And if you want to know more than this emoji, go to browser, use emoji. Some website is coming, HTML W3 school, and so many emojis are there. Hexadecimal value, decimal value, you can choose from here. Okay, for your understanding I will show one by one. Okay, so how now I use checkbox. Check because for understanding form input or another those things username password, you understand what is checkbox. So I use checkbox here. How to use checkbox? By use input tag. Okay, input tag type checkbox. Okay, name also. So first we delete it all. Understand first from first. Okay, HTML. Title is check. We come here, make a heading or making center here. This is choose the programming languages. programming languages. So how to look like that from come here, so that okay, sorry. How to look like that, making some changes, and so that to choose the programming languages. So you can use unordered list, order list, or list item, but I use here checkbox so for understanding use. So making a checkbox, making input, okay, box, CHACK, okay, BOX, checkbox, CHCKBOX, okay, it is a checkbox. Checkbox is the name is C. Then making a value is the main part of checkbox, because I tell you what is the best why use value here, C, okay. Then label you are using from making change, taking information from the user, okay. C programming. You also copy from here if you want. I copy here. So how to copy? Shift plus left button or right button, okay. And you change here what is there is Java, okay, that is also Java, okay, and paste it here, Python, Python, so you saw that I don't use change the values here, but I use change first, then understand what if I not to change how, what is the problem. So I control save here. You saw that one box is there, it is called checkbox, okay, okay, it is the checkbox. So if you make changes same name, like it is also C, also C, and it is also C. So what is the changes? Save it. If you right click here, don't right click here, because okay, it is also right click here, so there is no change, because if you use ID, okay, ID is C, also ID C, also ID C. Save it and run it. Right click here, right click here, and right click here. So now those are no changes is there. So if any user don't miss out the change, take the changes. So if you want to changes that any of the language is compulsory. So how to make? Choose any of the language. I use here Java and use it. Name it checked. Okay, name is checked. CHECKED. Okay, checked. What is checked? For checked, use that it is compulsory. If you not checked, if you saw that I did not attempt any item, okay, but it is already checked, okay. So it is the use of checkbox. So why you use checkbox? Checkbox used for when you make login page, registration page, on that time you use checkbox, okay. So till now I complete what is input checkbox, input username, input password, and so many things tags. So you also know that what is division. So if I use division here, like div, the last portion, paste here. Okay, you can check what is the difference. No difference, right? Why? You do not understand what is the changes. So if how to know what is the changes we make? So make style tag, okay, style tag, make the color change, or maximum style means how much style you want. uh, in HTML so many, it's not so many, a little bit style is there, but when I use CSS JavaScript, so many styles are there. That time I will tell you what is the style tag, other file. Okay, so in this file means inline file, that is in style file, if you change to bg color or color, okay, uh, oh, I already tell you normal color black, okay, black, red, or orange, so is best. Is best. Save it. Now you understand what is the change here. You change, it is the change of the color. Okay, now make division color another division. uh, is also center, h1. My second web page starting from here. So if I change here, you see second page there. Okay, now I change the color here. Okay, style, color, it is brown. Okay, save it and run it. You saw the changes. So now change background color. Okay, bg color, background color. What is the background class? Yellow. Any color you want to choose, no problem. Here also change bg color. BG color means it is short from our background color. When you type BG, background color always come. Okay, now it is pink. Okay, save it. So the changes. That is the one division. Okay, without any break keyword, it is the another division. So if that on that type I use div means division. Okay, div keyword or div tag. Okay, so for further when we make a website, then that time division is very useful. That time how to make login page under this any forget password page, so many pages there. On that time division is very useful. Okay, so now I start. You know what is input, what is div, what is checkbox. So now understand what is form. Okay, form is the HTML format which is collect the user input. Okay, now I saw how it is work. So what is form? Form is used to collect user input. The user input is the most often sent to the server for processing. For further, when you make a web browser, web page, or any other website, that time you make a form. So collect the web username, password, and age, email, and so many things. Okay, that those are the input, or those are the elements are saved into browser. So how to save that is collected in form. What is the form? So making a form, on that form make a username. Already I tell that what is username, or f name, if first name, first name, username, username, placeholder, same to same. I use here password. So change the username as password. Also password. Why use value? Value is the sense of humor. So understand the user who make the changes in programming or code. That time that user understand what is the value, what is the placeholder, those things. Okay. Also you use last name. Okay, last name, first name, last name, name. Also if name. It's better to understand what is app name, L name. Okay, name, and also if name. Okay, last password, and for understand first name, last name, then email. Email. When you type E, then always it will come. Okay, then place a normal example, abc@gmail.com, gmail.com. Save it and run it. Now you saw, sorry, use break. Now checkbox. Uh, single. So are you single? And now I here use checkbox. Input type checkbox, IDC yes, and another one is break or space. Input checkbox, or copy from here. IDC checkbox no. Okay, so replace it to no. Understand the changes. Sorry, understand the changes. Okay, understand the changes. So how here two options, yes or no. So what, how we change? By you can see here, if I use both, then some problem is there. So that time what do we do? Do not checkbox. That time use radio button. Radio button. Okay. For I'll tell you after some time. Here also radio button. Radio button. Now you change the, see the changes. Okay. This always, it also check both are same. Okay, but use for understanding anything in same as in radio button fast or yes. Okay, right here is not click. Okay, both are click. So how you change means, if yes is click, no is not click, how it will be changed? It will be changed. So take some other idea. So now we see that if I use name is equal to same means I think no one understand. I think now you understand. Okay, what I write here. So input type radio button is round button. To check box is another thing, and radio button is another thing. If you name same name are used, then it is click. If you control save it and refresh it, now it changes. If you type yes, then no is not click. If no is click, yes is not click. So that is the changes for radio button. Okay, so for first name, last name, email, age, anything you can do. You can also use age, input type age, or text box, any text box. placeholder, type your age. Okay, you can refresh it. Then you saw it is the range option. Okay, you also here use break. So till now we use input, checkbox, radio button, deep button, emoji, and button, ul, li, ol. Those tag I use. Now I understand what is label. Label also used for making form, like that, making same first name, last name. If we uh, copy from here and comment it, and after that is there, but in change the level. Level is the same, or you can write from here like that. Okay, you cut from here and paste it here. Okay, to saw the changes. Last name, first name. Okay, so you can change from here. Label used for normal thing, but I told you I suggest to use input button for making any form. Label is normally used, it is not further used, not important. If you use understand the input button, that is best for further future knowledge. So use input. Okay, so forget about label. If you want to know what is label, please comment me. I will tell you after next video. Okay, so till now so many times I will learn today. So now I give a assignment. Please do that. If not do that, because I think you are not understand, please go through my this video from first and understand what is the today's tag. And today I give a assignment, today's tag also, and yesterday what I means last lecture what I told. So both tag we include and make a web page, and I sent you, or I told you how to I saw the template only. Okay, you make by you only. So I think you are understand till now. So now I give a assignment. Please do that and send to my email address. I will send my email address to my description box. So go to my assignment. So that is my assignment. What is the assignment? Means make a normal heading, second heading, that is a number heading 1, that is heading 3, and so many headings that you can use for your purpose. So here I use deep button. Understand how to use, you know already. So two heading is there. After that one normal black line is there. After black line, some username, password, email ID, age, skills, how many skills you have, you put here. Okay, so that is also a division. Second division, third division is what type of knowledge, programming knowledge you want to know, means Python, Java, C, C++, Ruby, other. So that is the you can check here. Okay, by checkbox you can X, that is the checkbox. Okay, after that, do you know English, yes or no? If yes, no is not working. If Hindi you know, then yes is not working. Then if Bengali is no, then no is not working. So that type you can radio button. Okay, you know how to use, I already told you. And you use color, background color, font color means normal use color button, color tag. Okay, that changes the color of the font. Okay, and after that you make a button that is called, if you are not registered, please click here. Okay, so that is my a simple assignment to you on lecture 3 in HTML. So I think you are understanding too much on this video, and you complete the assignment and send to my description email address. And I thank you all for choosing my video to end lecture and see till now. So you complete this one, I think you are better understand when you complete this one. So thank you guys, and see you my next lecture.